Hello Kabayans, welcome to my vlog and this is Kabayan Lalas and we are here at Taiwan and we are here in Shilin Market. We are going to explore this night market. Let's go! Actually here in Taiwan, there's a lot of like this kind of shop, like a ball. You can get a ball and there is something stuffed toys inside on it. So you can get something on it like this. You can also find a t-shirt. So guys, ito pala yung place kung saan makikita itong billboard. Ito yung famous na billboard. Madaming nagpipicture or nagvi-video dito sa kwan. Ito ay mismo sa Shilin Market. Ayan. So nakikita nyo naman siguro sa TikTok or sa social media, sa Facebook, ganyan. Madaming nagvi-video dito.
Sophie! Rhoda! Rhoda!
So dito sa Taiwan, madami ding seafood na benta. Ito yung isa sa masarap pero ang mahal, itong lobster at oyster. Guys, this is a famous bitter tea. So I'm not sure. Let's taste what it is, but Buddy Moby will buy that one. It's a bitter tea.
It's really so sweet. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding.
Let's taste that one.
I have to say sorry.
Sorry, I don't like the taste.
Of course, I mean to. I know you must don't like it.
Can we get something to can we get something sweet?
No, you don't have to say sorry because I'm into.
And also the same as that?
Yep.
The taste stays here.
Papaya milk.
Papaya milk? Huh?
Have you ever tried papaya milk before?
No.
Yeah.
Watermelon.
But this is watermelon juice.
What's that?
Cheese. Hopa. It's the yellow, the bean.
So guys, isa din sa pinapilaan nilang mga pagkain dito sa Shilin Night Market. Ito yung grilled mushroom. Ayan, it's 120 Taiwanese dollar. So guys, ito isa din sa mga pinipilaan itong mushroom na to.
walk the different way.
Yeah.
That time we go that one, and now we just
This
walk
one.
this way. So this is Shilin Night
Nike.
Market. Actually, it's quite big.
Yeah. Some are closing already. It's 10 already.
Yeah, it's 10 o'clock. It's Sunday. Tomorrow, people have to work.
Yeah.
I think the Saturday night will be closed later. Much more late. Inside the Turkey. That's where the place where I'm growing up.
What's that?
It's
a bread.
Shopping, like paper
Bread.
stuff like veg. Not veg, it's a plant. Different
Yeah.
kinds. So you smell the flavor is like a little bit like medicine. It's a little bit different. This is the barbecue. Okay, you can take picture here. In your left side. Shilin Night Market.
So, pwede nyo din palang itry ito, yung paghuhuli ng maliliit na isda at napaka-enjoy naman talaga. May mga bata dito na naghuhuli gamit yung ganitong parang net pero made of paper. Once na nabutas yun, so hindi na pwedeng mag-ulit. So, isa lang yung ibibigay nilang panghuli ng isda. So para siyang paper yung Tapos ito naman yung parang pamingwit. Kung may nabingwit kayo, ayan, pwede nyong ipaihaw. So sa inyo na once na nabingwit niyo, guys. Medyo mahirap hulihin nga itong parang crawfish or shrimp, yung parang ganyan. So nakakuan din ng yan pag naputol yung tali, then ayan, tapos na din yung pag-isahan lang kasi. Ayan. So yan, yung 4 na stick ata is 100. Yan. So kailangan yung makahuli ng 4 na malalaking shrimp, tapos ipapaihaw dyan, ayan, iniihaw na din. So nag-enjoy ka na, nabusog ka pa. Humingwit, tapos inihaw doon. It's only for 100 for 7 rods, free grip. So pinuntahan din namin itong shop na to. So ito yung nagbebenta ng snake soup, sabi ni Buddy Moby.
And also like snake scalp.
Oh my god.
Not too
Is that a cobra?
I'm not sure it's cobra. Maybe not.
That's the egg.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, this is selling the snake soup, and sometimes they will put the
Yeah, I think
blood.
this-
They will
this
put
is
the
the-
blood inside. Blood inside.
This is the right?
Yeah, snake soup.
Pinag-go.
Actually,
Like-
it's
Oh, no.
I think it tastes like chicken actually.
Have you eaten?
Yeah, I ate snake soup before. It tastes like chicken. It's just normal.
It's hot on your body?
What?
Feels like hot on your body?
So guys, this is the shop for selling the snake wine
Snake
or
soup.
soup. Let's go! So there you have it, guys. This is Shilin Market, and we explored this night market here in Taipei City. So thank you so much for watching, And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And see you to my next vlog. Kapkulakap, kapchaylay, agyamanay, shashay, shashay. Bye-bye.